Welcome to our guide on seamlessly integrating WhatsApp Web with Zoho CRM using Eazybe. Let's simplify the process for you to start. Ensure you're logged into your WhatsApp web account and have Eazybe installed. Once ready, locate the integration icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and select Integrate with Zoho CRM. You'll be redirected to our workspace, where you'll need to authenticate your Zoho CRM account. Once authenticated, you can close the window and return to WhatsApp Web. Now when you open a contact, you'll notice a Zoho CRM icon. This allows you to seamlessly create new contacts or leads directly without leaving WhatsApp Web. If the contact doesn't exist yet, no worries, you can create it on the spot and customize the details as needed, plus easily add profile, notes, tasks, and deals for each contact, all within WhatsApp Web. Your WhatsApp chats are automatically backed up in Zoho CRM, ensuring you never lose important conversations. These backups occur at regular intervals so you're always up to date, and if you need to link an existing contact in Zoho CRM, it's a simple process, just search and link with Eazybe. Integrating WhatsApp with Zoho CRM has never been easier. Get ready to boost your productivity and streamline your communication processes seamlessly. Let's integrate and elevate your workflow together.